Okay, how's it going out there, guys? Um, this is my final run of my um, project here, where I take a file and server that I constructed in Python, and I run it a number of times from one end to the other. Uh, on here, I will show you some data in a minute here, but on this side, you have I have my client code. On this side, I have my server side code. Um, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to take a file, upload that file. I've added a Caesar cipher on it. And what the code does is after it takes the file, it scrambles the words starting from the beginning of the alphabet all the way to the end, so 26 times. Um, and On the surface doesn't look like a hard code, but if you're not used to um, messing with bits and bytes converting, it can get a little tricky, especially around encoding and stuff like that. So it was a challenge, but we figured it out. So I'm grateful of that. What this code once again does, it takes the test data. I have a Bible verse, Psalm 91. So it's going to take that, it's going to run it through the code, Caesar Cipher function that I built up here, um, and then pass it through the socket, and it's going to come on the other side, the file server here, and it's going to do that 26 times, and for every alphabet, basically, it's gonna make a different code. So um, we'll run a quick demonstration real quick. Start the file side up, a file server side. Um, all right. Okay, so saying I'm ready for any client side request. All right. So on this side, uh, we're gonna run the program. And as you're seeing here, this side is saying I'm connecting. I'm connecting. It connects and disengages every time. Well, I'll show you when it stops, what it does. Uh, if you look up here, what it does is it connects first. Shows you it's connecting to that is sending the file, which is the test file, and it numbers the amount of times it does it all the way out to 26. Hence why the English alphabet or Western alphabet, 26 characters. It rotates through that, and then it shuts down, and then it goes through again. It's a little counter on there. And on this side, on the client side, um, as you see here, it's starting to receive it. It shows you the confirms connection, uh, goes through the iteration of how many times, uh, and then it actually identifies that it's different than the file before to show that it is iterating through uh, the the program. So the way I had it set up originally, it was to show correctness. If you watched an earlier video, it would have said 26 and 0, or I think I had it up to 100 and 0, 100 and 0. But since it was converted every time it was sent, then at the current state it's written in it, it shows it as incorrectly. I guess I can go back in and say encoded or something like that, which wouldn't be an issue. So um, that was pretty much it. Oh yeah, let me show you the original code. Cool. And I just pull these down. Baby girl's crying down there. All right. So on my file side, let's see if I can pull the test file up. Here's the test file. Pretty much Psalms 91 or a portion of it. I can't remember. I think it's a portion of it. I think it's a little longer than that. But just to show you what the file looks like. All right. And then the sent file. That's the first one. Of course, yeah, I didn't format it correctly, but it got through. um, and then you go down to send file two. All right, so there you go, starting to go through the process of scrambling. And then send file three is different than send file two. So you guys get the idea. So I did this program because I do I am studying cybersecurity with my IT degree, so I thought it'd be fun, um, a fun project to do, just to kind of work that, that give it that flavor, cybersecurity flavor, in a real basic way. I got a lot to learn still, but all in all, it was challenging. Probably like everyone else out there, it was a challenging semester, with COVID and all that. But I'm proud of it. I salute it. So that's that. Hope you guys enjoy it, and guys stay safe out there. Take care.